Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this equation x plus 1 over x is equal to twice I, where I is an imaginary number. Or multiplying both sides by x, we can write x times x is x square plus 1 over x times x is 1 is equal to twice I times x is twice ix. Or taking this right side to left, we can write x square minus twice ix plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x square minus 2 times x times I, this is twice ix, plus writing I square minus I square, this I square and negative I square will cancel out, plus this 1 is equal to 0. Or this is as a formula of a square minus twice ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. Writing this formula here, we can write x minus I whole square minus I square is negative 1, so negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x minus I whole square minus this will be plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x minus I whole square plus 1 is 2 is equal to 0. Or taking this 2 to right side, we can write x minus I whole square is equal to negative 2. Or taking square root to both sides, we can write x minus I is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 2. Or taking this negative I to right side, we will get x is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 2 is square root of 2i plus this I. Or x is equal to, taking common I, we can write I times plus or minus square root of 2 plus 1. So the value of x is equal to, rearranging it, we can write 1 plus or minus square root of 2 I. So this is the value of x. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.